Alright, whānau, we have race 58, under 16 boys, W12, 250 metre final, te ihu final that is. Lane 1, Whakatane High School. Lane 2, Mount Maunganui MMC boys. Lane 3, Kaipara under 16 boys. Lane 4, Rotorua boys, Raukura i te rangi. Lane 5, Te Wharikura o Mauao, Te Kau Maono. Lane 6, Manerua boys gold. Lane 7, WRM Ruamano Tainui. Lane 8, Opononi Area School. Lane 9, Rotorua boys High School, Raukura ki te hoi. Lane 10, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o te Koutu. Lane 11, Tauranga boys Mauao. And lane 12, Lakes High, Te Roro o te Rangi. This should be an exciting final e te iwi. I think this is my first time seeing an all-boys 12-man crew, eh?
Really?
Yeah, I think it's been like mixed for the past couple of years, eh? Yeah, I think this is the first time they've introduced an all-boys and all-girls 12-man.
Oh.
So exciting for them. An opportunity to grab themselves some medals. I think this is Mauao on our screen right now.
Just found out, Taylor, you're one of the coaches for Manurewa Boys Gold under 16s.
I excited for my boys, our boys from Rewa. Hopefully they can showcase what they're capable of today. I know these boys woke up real keen, real excited, so
Ka pai.
yeah, hopefully. Oh, there they are on the screen, whānau. Hopefully all our whānau and Manerua are tuning in to watch their boys, their tamariki today. Rewa haere te whānau.
Oh, kua tū te aki mā. Anei ngā waka e re whakararangi ana. Anei te haki whero. They're all coming up as one to the start line. Making sure they're not going over.
Oh, I think that's lane 6 e te whānau.
Lane 4 and 6 got a good start, right on that start.
Yeah,
Getting out of
mastered
there.
their rolling start e te iwi.
Oh, Manurewa, here they are.
Yeah.
Oh, neck and neck, lane 4, Rotorua Boys High School.
Oh, it's a battle between Rewa and Raukura i te whānau. Who's it gonna be?
Oh, Rotorua just getting in front of them, just past that halfway.
It's a battle, whānau.
Third, it looks like
Ooh,
Be a good pakanga.
who will it be, whānau?
Oh,
Oh,
gonna be.
oh, oh! I don't know who that is, whānau. But I think that's Te Kura Aiwi o Whakatupuranga Ruamano who have come across in third.
Oh, Rotorua Boys High School taking it out. Te Ihu Finals.
Only just Bate. Nā, ka pai tamama.
Ka pai, ka pai.
Wicked start from lane 4 and 6, I'd say. Got the jump on the rest of the pack right from the get-go.
Looking around, seat number 2.
Not too sure why these boys are doing that, but all good.
Oh,
Oh,
Rotorua Boys just caught them.
wicked race, boys, wicked race.
Ka pai tamama. And first place, Rotorua Boys High School with a time of 101. Second place, Manurewa Boys Gold. Oh, with a time of 101. Wow, and in third, WRM Ruamano Tainui with a time of 104.